These are the new EPOS ADAPT E1 true wireless earbuds, and they've quickly become one of my favorites. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about them and why they are at the top of my list. Hi, I'm Jordy, and welcome to the channel. EPOS used to be part of Sennheiser, so they definitely know what they are doing when it comes to these kind of products. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The EPOS ADAPT E1 is priced at $170 and they come in a simple box, but everything is nicely presented. Inside the box you get a short USB-C charging cable, 3 extra sizes of ear tips, and the user manual. The first impression of the charging case is that it's a bit bigger than the average with a unique design. It's got some weight to it with around 48.5 grams and 70.5 grams with the earbuds. You will find the USB-C port on the back, and there's an option for a lanyard on the side. Since it's not really a case you would take with you in your pocket, the lanyard option is nice for keeping it within reach. When opening the case, you will find the USB-C dongle. I will explain how that works later in the video. Of course, there are also the ADAPT E1 earbuds. They are slightly larger than most, with a short stem design. One side has a matte black finish and the other side is glossy. These earbuds are designed with EPOS Intelligent Fit. They scanned over 500,000 ears and used AI to figure out the best comfort and fit. And yes, they are super comfortable, even after hours of use. And if you don't want to miss my future reviews after this one, I would appreciate it if you could join me on this tech journey by subscribing to my channel. Thanks! Now, let's focus on the specs. The ADAPT E1 has Bluetooth 5.3 and supports multi-point connectivity. The battery life is impressive. You get up to 50 hours with the charging case. The earbuds last up to 14 hours of music or podcasts and 6 hours for calls and meetings. With active noise cancellation turned on, you get 10 hours for music or podcasts and 5 hours for calls and meetings. There's also quick charge. A 5-minute charge gives you 1 hour of playback time. You can get a full charge in 80 minutes with USB-C, and you can get a full charge wirelessly within 3 hours. These earbuds are IPX5 rated, meaning they are safe from sweat and light rain. However, they are not dust resistant. The ADAPT E1 earbuds got hybrid active noise cancelling with 2 modes, ANC and ambient mode. You can control the ANC modes in the EPOS Connect app. I would say the ANC is average. It does block out most noise while listening to music, but during phone calls I could still hear background noise. It's fine for traveling or office work, but it's absolutely not the best I have experienced. Unlike most earbuds that use touch controls, the ADAPT E1 has clickable control panels. They are easy to use and don't feel uncomfortable. However, the control system is locked. You can't customize it. The left earbud focuses on Microsoft Teams actions and the right one handles audio and calls. This limits the use of the controls if you prefer using just one earbud. There's also a smart pause feature that automatically pauses audio when you take an earbud out and resumes when you put it back in. This feature works with low latency, so it's quick and responsive. The microphone quality is great. I experienced no issues during calls or meetings. People could hear me clearly, even in noisy environments. These earbuds are certified for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet, meaning they are optimized for those platforms. They are also certified for both Android and iPhone, so they will work seamlessly across devices. I will now play a couple of audio samples of the microphones, one with no background noise and one with a lot of background noise. This is the first audio sample, recorded in a quiet environment using the microphones of the EPOS ADAPT E1. As you can hear, there's no background noise at all, which allows the microphones to really focus on my voice. Other people had no trouble hearing me during phone calls. This is the second audio sample, recorded in a noisy environment using the EPOS ADAPT E1 microphones. I'm now switching to my other microphone so you can hear the background noise. As you can tell, it's really loud and noisy around me. Now I'm switching back to the EPOS ADAPT E1 microphones, and as you can hear, they filter out a lot of the background noise. It does slightly distort my voice, but the overall microphone quality is still very good. Besides Bluetooth 5.3, the USB-C dongle gives you even more connectivity. Just plug it into your device and you are good to go. It offers a better connection and lower latency for video calls or watching videos. The ADAPT E1 are semi-open acoustics, and I really like the audio quality. The sound is immersive and I do like the sound separation. With other earbuds, it's often the case that certain tones are overwhelming, but that's absolutely not the case with the ADAPT E1. The balance in these earbuds keeps everything natural. With the sound presets in the EPOS Connect app, you can always boost the bass or enhance the voice, but I prefer the EPOS signature for the best sound experience. There are a couple of things that I don't like about these earbuds. First, the locked control system limits how you can use just one earbud. Second, the ANC did not live up to my expectations. It's fine for general use, but not exceptional. Despite these minor drawbacks, I still highly recommend the EPOS ADAPT E1. They are comfortable, have great battery life, and the sound quality is fantastic for both work and music. The microphones are excellent, and they are certified for UC platforms like Microsoft Teams, so you are getting solid business functionality as well. Plus, the included USB-C dongle provides even better connectivity and lower latency, enhancing your experience during video calls or watching videos. And that's it for my review of the EPOS ADAPT E1. Let me know what you think of these earbuds in the comments below. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Have a great day.